Hello students, how are you? Today we have to study practice set 3.1 in our lesson 3 circle. We have to give one question number 1 in the adjoining figure. The radius of a circle is 6 cm and line AB is the tangent of the circle. Using this information, we have to write the answer of the following questions. First question, what is the measure of angle CAB and why? AB is the tangent, C is the center of the circle, where we can join the radius to the contact point A. The angle is right angle triangle 90 degree. Why the angle is 90 degree? Because we have to study in previous period tangent radius theorem. When a perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the tangent in contact point, the angle is 90 degree and radius is perpendicular to tangent. So, angle CAB is equal to 90 degree and reason by theorem of radius tangent theorem. Second one, what is the distance of point C from line AB and why? The distance C to line AB, we have to give one radius of circle is 6 cm and the perpendicular distance from C to A is 6 cm. Therefore, length of CA is equal to 6 cm and reason perpendicular distance. Question number 3. Distance AB is equal to 6 cm. Find distance BC. We have to give one AB 6 cm and ask the length of BC. We observe CAB a triangle. Which type of triangle? This triangle is right angle triangle. So we have to give one base and height. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can solve the value of BC by using Pythagoras theorem. In triangle CAB, hypotenuse square BC square is equal to base square plus height square. Base 6 square, height 6 square. 6 square is 36, another 6 square is also 36. 36 plus 36 is 72. BC square is 72. Taking square root of both sides, BC is equal to under root 72. 36 into 2 means 6 under root 2 cm. So, the length of hypotenuse BC is 6 under root 2 cm. And last question, what is the measure of angle ABC and why? What is the angle of ABC? This angle. The sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. Angle A is 90 degree. 180 minus 90, remaining 90. The measure of these two angles is 90. We have to ask ABC. The length AB 6 cm, length AC 6 cm. So the right angle triangle is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, the two sides are congruent, and the angle from the base of the congruent side is also congruent. So this angle is 45 degrees, and reason is isosceles triangle. So angle ABC is equal to 45 degrees. Then we can solve question number 2. In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle. From point R, segment RN are tangent segments touching the circles at M and N. If OR is equal to 10 cm and radius O of the circle is equal to 5 cm, then what is the length of each tangent segments? Second, what is the measure of angle MRO and what is the measure of angle MRL? We have to solve. Draw a radius. We have to give one OR is 10 cm and radius is 5 cm. The triangles OMR and ONR are right angle triangles. Angle M, angle N are right angle. So segment side OR is the hypotenuse of the given triangle. OM, ON are the base of the triangle, and MR and NR is the height of the triangle. So we can find the height of the triangle, and the height means tangent segments of the given. So using Pythagoras theorem in triangle OMR, by Pythagoras theorem, OR square is equal to OM square plus MR square. Substitute the values. OR 10 square, OM 5 square, MR unknown, MR square. 10 square is 100, 5 square is 25, MR square. MR square is equal to 100. 25 goes to left hand side. We can get 75. MR square is equal to 75. Take the square root of both sides. MR is equal to under root 75. Means 25 into 3 means 5 under root 3. So MR is equal to 5 under root 3 cm. Second, we have to ask a measure of angle MR. MRO. Angle A means 90 degree. Angle R. Opposite side of the angle R is OM, and the length of OM is 5. The length of hypotenuse is 10. When the opposite side's length is half of hypotenuse, then this angle is 30 degree. Converse of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Therefore, angle MRO is equal to 30 degree. And these two triangles are congruent triangle. So, angle MRO congruent to angle NRO. Therefore, measure of angle MRO plus measure of angle NRO means measure of angle MRN. MRN 30 degree plus 30 degree is 60 degree. This is the second question. Similarly, we can solve question number 3. Segment RM and segment RN are tangent segments. Segment RM and segment RN are tangent segments of a circle with center O. Prove that segment OR bisect angle MRN as well as angle MON. First, we can draw a figure. We have given O is the center of the circle. And we have to prove segment OR bisect angle MRN and angle MON. We can write the proof answer of the question. Draw a radius at the contact point. The measure of angle M and N is 90 degree. We have to get two triangles, triangle OMR and triangle ONR. Using properties, in triangle OMR and in triangle ONR, side OM congruent side ON, region radius of the circle. Angle OMR is equal to angle ONR 90 degree, radius tangent theorem. Side OR congruent to side OR, common side. Therefore, triangle OMR congruent to triangle OMR. By hypotenuse side theorem, if these two triangles are congruent, then remaining angles and remaining sides of the two triangles are also congruent. Therefore, measure of angle MRO, measure of angle NRO, angle MRO congruent angle NR, angle MOR congruent angle M1. Observe these two angles. Measure of angle MRO congruent to measure of angle NRO. Similarly, measure of angle MOR NOR. Therefore, the segment OR is the bisect of angle MRN and angle MON. Segment OR bisect these two angles. In this way, we can solve remaining question problems. Here we have to complete our practice set 3.1.